Virtual reality is a tool that can give you an experience in a real world. Let's say you want to go to traveling around the world, or maybe you want to go to Japan. You don't have to buy a ticket or even spend a lot of time on flight, because just by using VR, you already see a lot of things just in front of your eyes. You can lie on your bed or even just sit on your chair, and then you can experience a lot of things. The building, the environment, the people, everything. That is the simple terms of VR. Okay, you may wonder, then what is the role of VR technology in the world of education? First, VR can enhance immersion and engagement. VR is really great. Then VR can arrest the gap between you and the material itself. Sometimes we kind of struggle with material that some teacher gives to us, like mathematical formula or even physical quantum, or sometimes struggle with wondering how the bacteria features. Then this is related to the point number 2 and 3 and 4 that say VR stimulating real world scenario. What is the functional? VR can give you the features of bacteria virus itself. You don't have to wonder how does it look like, because VR show you the features. You can split it like that, you can split it like you want. And you already see the mathematical formula right in front of you. You don't have to wonder anymore. And you can be more, and it can be more effective to you to learn. Multi-sensory learning, and also personalized and adaptive learning. In point number 5, VR also give you, the word of education is empathy and perspective taking. Not only learning about science, not only learning about mathematics, it's also learning about geography. It's also learned about the people, also learned about the culture. When you know about someone's people geography and also learned about the people culture, you don't have to wonder and asking questions like, why are they doing that? Why the culture doing this? Because you already know why they doing that and why they doing this. So by knowing that, you automatically become more open-minded person. That's why VR can give you empathy and perspective taking. If VR lectures, we sometimes question why that VR didn't put in our encouragement in Indonesia itself, or even several countries out there. Maybe this can answer you questions. The first one is because great cost. Excellent technology will bring us into an excellent cost. Even just using the whiteboard, Indonesia sometimes struggle with that. What about VR? This is great. This is so great and expensive. It's like an impossible nowadays to Indonesia, but we never know. Maybe in the future Indonesia can put VR to our education. And then have risk. VR is a helmet or headset. The distance with you and VR is really short. It's like you sunglasses. Of course, it's gonna cause an eye illness or even headache. It's really possible. Then the issue of addictions. If I'm the one who get VR, I will make sure that I will get addictions. Can you imagine? You create your own world in front of you. You see the people, you create your new image, you interact with people, which is don't know who they are, and you see a new world. Of course, I don't need to interact with real people anymore, because I already have my own world in VR. And then, possible problem with the functioning. VR is a tool. Again, VR is a tool, and tools sometimes can get broken. That's why VR, maybe when you use VR and it's get broken, it's gonna dangerous for your body. Here are some countries that have used VR in education. It is information to make us jealous, Indonesia didn't put it yet. So the first one is United States. Thank you for reminding. The first one is United States. In United States, they use VR to learn science, technology, engineering, and mathematics, and also instructions and to make learning more engaging and interactive for students? Well, a lot of countries out there already put VR in their Board of Educational, but this is just some countries that I share with us. I will not forget to remind you again and again that virtual reality is the tool to enter the world of the metaverse, the world of the future with technological development. So VR, it's not a AI, but it's use a helmet. You may be already wonder how does it VR looks like. So that's all for me today. I hope you can enjoy my material and you can take advantage of it. If there is a mistake and there is a minus or like I'm not really perfect regarding this, but I hope all of you guys